Secretary, am I audible? Okay, great. It will record everything. Good evening, guys. Just give me some time. Some are joining, so we'll start after only 3 minutes. Okay, good evening once again. Welcome back to the 1 week training program on data mining using WEKA. So, in the today's session, we will be learning some of the concepts of clustering methods theoretically as well as practically. Then some association rules. So, based on some association, how can we create the rules, and then accordingly, how can we get the targeted attributes from those rules? Those concepts we will see. So, as per the contents, wake up for clustering and associations rules. Today, clustering based algorithms association rules will be learned. Then, see, we are now in the fourth topic. Okay, so based on these four, so these three are major, right? So this second one, data pre-processing with the practical we have seen. Then yesterday classification algorithms and then implementation of those models in a WEKA we have seen. So today clustering with the implementation in WEKA as well as association rule we will see. And based on these four topics, tomorrow there will be the case study and hands-on project and practical exercises will be given. So I have shared two different documents yesterday on the group, right? So there, one particular exercise has been given. So that can be useful for implementing some models, some practice models on the given data. Fine. So that can be your one of the hands-on session based on that particular PDF. Even though some other external data I will try to demonstrate with some algorithms. Okay. Today, it was decided that whatever we have seen in earlier sessions along with today's session, based on those, they will give you the small case study. So accordingly, you have to solve it practically and then you have to submit it. Fine. So, as discussed, introduction to clustering and implementation in WEKA will be learned here in this particular session. Fine. And the basics of clustering algorithms, then clustering applications in a data mining, analysis in a data, then it's a interpretation along with the evaluation. We will see in the two parts. So first of all, this clustering part will be seen. I hope I am audible to you. Okay, you may put your difficulty in the question answering section. So that is done today, right? And see, even though in the Microsoft Teams also your time log is calculated, average we are considering that average 1 hour must be the participant there in the meeting. So don't leave the meeting in between because the attendance as discussed 75%, and you will be given the certificates by two different organizations. Okay, so combinedly, this event has been organized by the organizations. That is why they are monitoring the attendance. So don't leave the meetings in between because in the Teams also there is a facility to calculate the attendance of the participant based on their joining and leaving time. Even though we can calculate the average also. Fine. So try to be here up to the end of session. Then let me come to the point about this fourth day's content, association rule in a data mining, then understanding of rule and applying association rule in a mining. So very simple topic is there, but having too many applications in a real time. Okay. First of all, just see what do you mean by clustering. Okay, so clustering means basically it is one of the grouping. Fine, grouping based on the similar patterns, similar characteristics. Okay, so that is nothing but the clustering, grouping the objects based on the related or similar patterns. That is nothing but the clustering. Okay, for example, here uh, some patterns are there, some objects are there. Let's consider here one sample space. Okay, here I have sample space, and in this sample space, some of the patterns are there. Let's consider 100 patterns are there. And according to these 100 patterns, some patterns are similar with each other. Some instances are similar with each other. Okay, some attributes are similar to each other. In that case, whatever similar patterns are there, am I audible? Uh, just a minute. Is my screen visible? Just check it again. So what is happening again here? Just a minute. What happened? It's meeting over. Where is the meeting? Why I left? मीटिंग एंड कसं काय झालं? So hope so my screen is visible now. Yeah. Could anyone let me know? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Let's check now whether the screen is visible. This particular window of presentation, is it there? Is presentation window is there? See it again. Presentation window is there, right? Excuse me, Sandeep sir. Are you there? Is my screen visible now? I'm just showing the presentation slide now. Check it. Is it there? I will reshare again. What is happening today? See, I left again from the meeting. So someone is removing me from the meeting. That is why the setting I'm not giving.
Mr. Nilesh, sir,
So let me
you can unmute yourself. You want to say something?
so I have to change the settings, sir. Just a minute. So someone is trying. Okay, now just a minute.
Mr. Nilesh, you want to say something? You can unmute yourself.
It is showing that you are in meeting in general on another device. I'm not there. So why it is like this? Check it again. What is happening to me? Just want to run the presentation. Just a minute. It is showing us saying that